Imagine if you could unboil an egg, returning it to its raw, liquid state with just a flash of light. This isn't science fiction. It's a real chemical reaction that scientists have discovered. The process involves a protein called lysozyme, which is found in egg whites and plays a key role in this fascinating transformation. Lysozyme is a protein that becomes denatured when exposed to heat, causing the egg to solidify. This is the same process that happens when you cook an egg. However, a new discovery in chemistry has shown that this transformation can be reversed by using light, not heat. Scientists at the University of Sydney used a technique called photochemical reversal to undo the effects of heat on proteins. This groundbreaking method allows for the recovery of previously cooked proteins, opening up new possibilities in biotechnology and medicine. This discovery has sparked excitement in the scientific community, as it challenges our understanding of protein behavior and chemical reactions. It also raises questions about what other irreversible processes could be reversed using light. The implications of this research go far beyond the kitchen. It could lead to new ways of recycling materials, improving drug development, and even helping in the treatment of diseases caused by misfolded proteins. At the heart of this process is the chemical structure of proteins. Proteins are long chains of amino acids that fold into specific shapes to perform their functions. Heat disrupts these folds, causing the protein to lose its structure and become denatured. Denaturation is a common process that occurs when proteins are exposed to extreme temperatures or pH levels. It's what happens to egg whites when you cook an egg, making them firm and opaque instead of clear and liquid. However, recent research has shown that denaturation isn't always permanent. Scientists have found that under certain conditions, the protein can refold into its original shape, restoring its function. This is the key to the unboiling process. The process uses a special type of light, such as ultraviolet or visible light, which interacts with the protein and helps it regain its original structure. This is possible because the light provides the energy needed for the protein to return to its folded state. This discovery has important implications for the field of chemistry. It shows that some chemical reactions can be reversed, which was previously thought to be impossible. It challenges traditional views of chemical processes and opens up new research avenues. To demonstrate the unboiling process, scientists used egg whites, which are rich in lysozyme. They first boiled the eggs to create a solid, denatured state. Then, they used a special solution and light to reverse the process and return the egg white to its liquid form. The process involves soaking the boiled egg in a solution that helps the proteins unfold. The light then acts as a catalyst, providing the energy needed for the proteins to refold into their original shape. This transformation can take place within minutes, depending on the conditions used. After the egg is treated with the solution and exposed to light, it gradually becomes liquid again. This is a visual and tactile confirmation that the proteins have been successfully unboiled and restored to their original state. This experiment not only proves that the unboiling process is possible, but also highlights the power of light in manipulating chemical reactions. It shows how science can turn what we thought was irreversible into something that can be undone with the right tools. The success of this experiment has led to further research on the potential applications of this technique. Scientists are now exploring how this process can be used in various fields, from food science to medicine. The use of light in this process is based on a phenomenon known as photochemistry. Photochemistry involves the interaction of light with matter, which can trigger chemical reactions. In the case of the unboiling egg, light provides the energy needed to reverse the denaturation process. Different wavelengths of light have different effects on proteins. For example, ultraviolet light has enough energy to break chemical bonds, while visible light can be used to activate certain reactions. Scientists choose the right wavelength to ensure that the process is efficient and safe. The light energy is absorbed by the protein molecules, causing them to vibrate and move. This movement helps the proteins break their denatured state and return to their original folded structure. It's like giving the proteins a gentle nudge to return to their natural shape. This process is highly dependent on the type of protein and the environment in which it's placed. Scientists have found that certain conditions, such as the pH level and the presence of specific chemicals, can enhance the effect of light on protein refolding. Understanding how light interacts with proteins is a key part of this research. It has opened up new possibilities for using light in various scientific applications, from medical treatments to industrial processes. The unboiling egg technique has far-reaching implications beyond the kitchen. It could be used in the pharmaceutical industry to recycle proteins used in drug development, reducing waste and saving costs. This is especially valuable in the production of vaccines and other protein-based medicines. In food science, this discovery could lead to new ways of processing and preserving proteins. It might allow for the recovery of valuable proteins from waste materials, making food production more sustainable and reducing environmental impact. This technique also has potential applications in the field of medicine. It could help in treating diseases caused by misfolded proteins, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By using light to refold proteins, scientists may find new ways to address these complex conditions. In addition to these fields, the unboiling process could be used in the textile industry to recycle proteins used in fabric production. It could also help in the development of new materials that can be reshaped or repaired using light. The implications of this discovery are vast and still being explored. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly irreversible processes in science can sometimes be undone, opening up new possibilities for innovation and discovery. This discovery has sparked a wave of excitement in the scientific community, and researchers are now exploring how this process can be applied to other proteins and materials. The future of chemistry may involve not just creating new substances, but also finding ways to undo or reverse chemical changes. As technology advances, scientists are likely to develop more efficient ways of using light in chemical reactions. This could lead to breakthroughs in various fields, from medicine to materials science, making it possible to recycle or reuse substances that were previously thought to be irreversible. The idea that some chemical reactions can be reversed is still relatively new. However, as more research is conducted, we may see this concept applied to a wide NGE Chinese letter of processes, making science more sustainable and efficient. This discovery not only challenges our understanding of chemical reactions, but also opens the door to new possibilities. It shows that science is full of surprises, and even the most basic processes can have complex and unexpected outcomes. As we continue to explore the power of light in chemistry, we may find even more ways to reverse processes that were once considered permanent. This could change the way we approach science, making it more flexible and innovative.